In Manhattan's posh Upper East Side neighborhood, you can find fruit and vegetable carts on nearly every corner, selling healthy produce at a fraction of supermarket prices. Travel to the outer boroughs of New York, though, and there are no such carts. After a study by the City Department of Health revealed that more than 12% of people in these areas had not eaten a single serving of fresh fruits or vegetables in the previous 24 hours, a bill was passed issuing 1,000 new permits for so-called green carts in an effort to promote healthy eating. Some community residents applaud the idea.
It's a good idea because I suppose more people will become aware of eating the fruits and vegetables.
It will help the economy, it will help the neighborhood, it will help the community, and I think it's a wise and a good idea.
But small business lobbyist Richard Lipsky says, while the bill's intention is laudable, there's a serious problem with it.
If you're a peddler with a license now, a new license, the likelihood is you're going to gravitate towards where the business traffic is being generated. There's no restriction on the bill. There's no targeting on the bill.
Which means green carts can set up right outside existing shops, selling the same items for less. Local community leader, politician, and president of the Korean American Small Business Association, Sung-Soo Kim, says the measure was rushed through without proper research, undermining local businesses, many of which were built up by immigrants.
Within one block vicinity, there are 6 authentic full-line greengrocers, produce stores, along with 4 authentic, supermarkets. These 10 are more than enough. A greengrocer, for example, this store has to abide by 18 codes. If we violate this, we're going to have a heavy penalty.
Codes like sanitation laws, not to mention paying taxes, rent, electricity, and salaries.
Business is very bad. We cannot make a profit, so we cannot pay renting, and I have 11 workers. We cannot pay the salaries.
Mr. Kim says the bill is a sign of disrespect to hard-working immigrant communities and all they have struggled to achieve in America.
These new immigrants, hard-working people, flocking down at the dawn, at the neighborhood, bringing the freshest apple to the New Yorkers. We just need fairness and the right enforcement and the well treatment, okay?
The carts are due to hit the streets in the next 2 months. Opponents have managed to convince the city to reduce the number of licenses from 1,500 to 1,000, but they still aren't buying the city's argument that increased supply will drive up overall demand. Paige Pollock, VOA News, New York.